In order to play bar chords, you need quite a lot of strength in your barring finger. To build up this strength can take some time and be very frustrating. In this video, I will show you how to build that strength while still having some fun through this little exercise. Major bar chords are basically formed by a bar, using this finger here, your pointy finger, and those three fingers shaped like that. Basically, it's the E major chord. Slide up and put the bar on. A minor chord is basically move all these three fingers down, your A minor shape. In order to make things easy for you, because this takes quite a lot of strength and practice, basically just use your barring finger, the one you want to build the strength in, and one other finger. In this case, we use this the ring finger. So. You can move it up and down the frets. Or even, if you really want to start from scratch, just use this finger, just use it as a bar and know the fingers. Just move it on and off. The strength will soon come. So as it says, instead of using all three, just remove and one. When you feel a little bit more confident, a little bit, you get things more right, introduce a second finger. So basically you're playing minor chords. And of course, you don't have to use these two strings, you can move them up and down. And then when you really are feeling up the scratch, introduce all three fingers so you're playing full major chords. And of course, moving down all three fingers, you're playing your minor chords. Like everything, the more you practice, the better you will become. Basically, you get more out if you put more in. Playing guitar doesn't come easy unless you put the time in, but you should see improvements even if you only consistently put 15 to 20 minutes in per day to build up your muscle memory and strength. There's no point in jamming a couple of hours once a month in. It won't get you anywhere. Well, that's it for another video. I hope you got something out of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell thingy bob. So every time we squirt the video up onto the internet, you get a little tickle in your pocket. See you soon. Hey, Michelle.